Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today's Russian word of the day is the word for tea kettle. That can be something that is put on a stove or something that is heated up electrically, more like what I used in the review lesson from last week to heat up the water for my coffee. So today's word, tea kettle.
Чайник, чайник,
Чайник.
Чай.
Чай.
Ник.
Ник.
Together.
Чайник.
Say not чайник, but чайник, чайник.
Чайник. So the word of the day is чайник. And we are going to use this chainik if you go to Ukraine or Russia very often. It's a very important word because there's almost always water in the chainik, and it's almost always hot because, like I said before, they like their tea very frequently. So you'll need to know this word. It's right up there with tea. And as a matter of fact, if you notice, chai is actually part of this word, chainik. So that may be one way you can remember it. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel so you can be alerted when we release a new word of the day. We'll see you again tomorrow. Until then, get curious and start digging.
чайник, чайник.